Let's get it.
Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe with notifications on. Most of you are not subscribed, so do that. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Hey everyone, SMG here. Welcome back to another Piemations reaction. Today, we're checking out the new Suction Cup Man episode called Suction Cup Man Fights a Bird. So, like this video, subscribe, ring the bell, and share, and look at him go! And yeah, let's dive right on in. Featuring Bagel the Pigeon. Oh boy. Let's climb that tower. Hey. Up. And he's gonna reach the top. He did it. He actually climbed a tower. Oh, it's a dream. Okay. Oh. Oh. There's the pigeon. Or the bird, yeah, whatever. Oh. Oh, jeez. Screaming like Mario 64. Wah! Oh, damn. Where are you going? That works. Oh, I just got another one. Oh, god damn. Oh, damn. He's gonna bite his ass. Oh! Peter Griffin pose. That bird's just not gonna let him go up, dude. Oh, he's really gonna fight, huh? The unlimited suction cup amount. Look at him go! Hey. Damn, we really going for a boss battle here. Good day for a 12 atom. It's on. Yeah. Uh-oh. God damn, bro. Oh. Oh. Oh! Yeah. Gonna build. Oh, we're gonna build a new one? Oh, it's gonna use the helmet. Okay, that works. Oh, that's gonna work. He got to the top. He did it. All right, good ending. Oh. Yeah, you gonna befriend it? Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. Thank God. Get rid of him. It's crazy that there was no swearing in this one either. Just a little family-friendly cartoon. Ah, classic style.
Piemations, yeah!
Yeah, look at him go! Anyways, guys, like this video, subscribe, ring the bell, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video. There, guys, thanks for watching, and deuces!